Let's make some easy K12 breakfasts that your students will love. You already know that today's kids are crazy about breakfast foods. And with our fully cooked, scratch-style proteins, keeping your kids excited to eat is a cinch. Plus, with new USDA crediting flexibilities and limits on added sugars, it's a great time to start serving more protein during breakfast. First up is a warm waffle sandwich. I'll be using a chicken sausage patty, but you could use turkey patties or pork patties instead. You'll also need waffles. To build, you'll place one sausage patty between two waffles. You can also add an egg patty and sliced cheese to make these more robust. This is a great way to add some oomph to your standard waffles. If you already served a waffle sandwich this week, try these chicken sausage patties on a biscuit and gravy sandwich or breakfast bagel sandwich. Next up, I'll be making a savory breakfast pizza. Now for this one, I'll be using chorizo turkey crumbles, but you can use any style you want, like lightly seasoned or Italian style. You'll also need whole grain pizza crust, gravy, scrambled eggs, and mozzarella. Start by laying your crust on a lined sheet tray. Using an 8-ounce spoodle, pour 1 cup of gravy and spread sauce evenly, leaving a 1/2 inch of clean edge. Then add 6 ounces of scrambled eggs, 8 ounces of cheese, and 8 ounces of the chorizo crumbles. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until the edges and cheese are golden brown. This is a great way to bring pizza, the ultimate student favorite, to morning meals. You could also use turkey crumbles in a chili Achilles breakfast bowl or in breakfast wraps. The last one I'll be making is a fun one inspired by avocado toast, and it features JENNIE-O breakfast combos bars. These bars are fully cooked patties made with meat, egg, and cheese in a whole grain breading. Using these bars as a base, you can create customizable breakfasts with different toppings. You'll need guacamole along with additional ingredients your students can choose, like ham, bacon, tomatoes, and corn. First, you'll add a number 16 scoop of guacamole to your combos bar. Then you'll use a flat spatula to evenly spread across. You can build these grab and go with toppings already on top or allow students to customize themselves. This is a great way to let kids get exactly what they want when customizing their breakfast. These bars are also tasty on their own or on a croissant. Remember, you can always serve these breakfast applications at lunchtime or as grab and go items using foil wraps. We also have so many other turkey, chicken, and pork products in different formats, like patties, links, bacon, Canadian bacon, and halal certified items, many of which are commodity eligible. Hope this gives you some inspiration for your menu. Reach out when you're ready to bring speed scratch proteins like these into your cafeteria. Happy serving!